The Grand California has a touchscreen main control panel from which you view, adjust and monitor the most important information and settings in your motorhome. The central control panel is located just here on the outside of the bathroom cubicle. The display on the main menu switches itself off when not in use. To wake it, touch the function button here. Once the display is awake, on the main menu there is a range of information and interactive icons that will allow you to discover current information about your Grand California and turn functions on or off or change the settings. What follows is a brief description of the functionality to get you started and confident to use the control panel. Main menu. This button always takes you home. Standby. Switches the screen on and off. Lights menu. The lights menu allows you to separately switch interior, exterior, top bed for the Grand California 600 model and background lighting on or off. Camping menu. This allows you to permanently open the electronic step, so when you're at a fixed location, it doesn't electronically open and close every time you open and close the door. Control the internal cabin and living areas from the temperature control menu. Water levels. In this menu, you can monitor the levels of your fresh and waste water. Battery level shows the charge level of your additional power battery. For more in-depth information, please look at your manual.